We are at North Wilkesboro in the trucks. I did 15 to 30 minutes of practice, and I don't feel fast. Oh, maybe not. Maybe the little practice laps were just crazy. My fast, I think, was a 19.2. So we're either going to be really off pace or we'll be fine. You have to be easy around here because it will, like, you'll spin out very easily. Very easily. You'll go into the corner and it'll try and loop on you. I think it's because of the banking. Because of the way how part of it's incline and part of it's like decel. First lap doesn't look good. Well, we'll do this as a throwaway. Oh, that's a wall. Dang it. We were gonna be faster, but we touched the wall. I guess I'll get more practice in while we're still going. It doesn't look like... Oh, well, there's a 19-1. Well, I was gonna say it doesn't look like we're too far off pace. I don't know what tires do here. It looks like we're dropping, and we're number 5, so that's not good. Well, it was almost a save until I walled it. Yep, there it is. We'll do some laps and just see what the tires do. Or no, you can't check tires in qualifying. Can you? Oh no, you can, I think. The wheel is definitely cockeyed. So don't mad at exiting the corner. It's a really weird setup. It feels tight in the middle because I want to go faster, but it feels loose, really loose on the entry. We'll just go in. Why not? That was only 3 laps or whatever.
The officials are telling us they won't accept the way you're driving.
Okay, dude,
Your
whatever.
laps won't count until you reset the car and start over. Pit box in 10, 3, 2, 1. Right here.
Oh, I thought he was sideways, like in dirt. I don't. You can check. Okay, you can. They're not awful. So, we're dropping back. We're not the slowest. We're definitely not the fastest. So we'll see what happens. I only have done, I think, 1 race ever at North Wilkesboro. Maybe 2, maybe 3. But they were all in late models. They were all in the asphalt late models. Not trucks. So those had insane amounts of grip. So unlike these, where you go into the corner and you spin out, you could go into the corner pretty much as hard as you want and then just slam on the brakes and they would stay stuck to the track. So those were probably more fun to drive, but they don't have cautions. And I'm very bad at tire management. So I run these. Still trying to buy the Xfinity car to do videos on that. Because I think Xfinity is at a totally different track. Unless they're also... Yeah, they're at Road America, not North Wilkesboro. So... Which I wouldn't be racing Road America anyway. I don't think I can even handle that. I own, I think, every track. Yeah, I own every track except for Texas, COTA, and Road America for the Xfinity schedule. So, we'll see what we can do. Hopefully everything goes well. Starting 8th, it looks like. Whenever we go and get lined up and everything, I'll unpause so you guys can watch. Well, here we go. Starting 8th. 1200 iRating, strength of field, not really what I want, but I did one race in the NIS and then had to quit for more personal reasons, and then that really tanked it. I lost, I think, 100 iRating. We were in 1400, now we're in the high 1300s. I didn't lose as much safety rating, but iRating definitely took a hit. So, we're going to go green next time by. I assume we're starting in 2nd. So that is the, looks like the preferred way to start. I'm probably going to turn force feedback up just a little bit. Right there.
One to go. Next time by.
1 to go green. Just feel like first gear isn't right.
Good luck, everybody. Remember, lick your tail first couple laps.
Yeah, definitely need to take it easy the first couple laps. So that could go wrong really fast. So we're gonna go green here. Car feels really bouncy.
Pace car is green flag, green flag.
Check up.
Inside.
We're just gonna run with these guys and see what they do.
Still there, inside.
Try and take a spot here.
You're up top, 3 wide.
Oh, spinner.
Still there, still there. You're up top, 3 wide. Right
Whew.
side, 2 wide. Caution, yellow flag.
I don't
Line
think
up,
we have wheel
single
damage, but we
closed.
might.
Road is closed. Half up, 9, car. Left up, 2, carbide. You had the position
I don't
when the
hear
yellow
any,
flag came out. Pit road's
damage.
open.
That was not good. I saw a spinner and there's no way I could have avoided that differently. I might have had been able to be a little more on my toes, but I wasn't ready for it. Just went to the corner and spun around. So, we avoided it. Got a 0x from some other guy hitting us, but, and we got a 0x from hitting the wall, but other than that, we avoided it. I don't know if he was trying to win on lap 1. He kind of just went into the corner and spun out. But okay. How many laps of fuel do we got? 123, so we're good on that.
Catch up, 1, car.
I will probably go in for damage around lap 40. Depending on where we're at, if everyone else pits. 'Cause I assume tires are a big deal here. 2 to green? Nope. Well, I'll put you guys on pause so you don't have to wait through all this, and I'll unpause when we're 1 to green.
Right, you'll be lining up on the inside.
The 4 is just... I don't know if he stopped because he had to unplug and replug his wheel in. So it looked like that's what happened, 'cause big smoke happened, but he just stopped on track in front of all the leaders. He was a lap car, and then when he goes to pass the leaders, he puts his tires all in the grass trying to pass them. No, I don't know what he's doing.
Going green.
Alright, we're going green here. We're on the inside. I don't think that's preferred. Maybe it is for the Rex, but
Post car is off. Time to do your job. Green flag, green flag. Green pit.
don't spin the tires, of course.
Outside. The leader is running 39.29.
We are not good on the inside. We're going to move up to the outside. Oh, and they're all spinning in front of us.
You're up top, 3 wide. Go low.
They are
Yellow
all
flag is out.
spinning.
Line up, single
Wow.
flag. Pit road is closed right
Thanks,
now.
1 car. That was
Up 4, car.
not cool.
Just set your fastest lap of the session. Pit road
Well, I'll
open.
take you guys back when we're done. Well, we got all of our spots back. Okay. I think we lost 1 spot. Well, he spun out in front of us, and if I would turn, we were going to spin out too, so I just decided just keep it up near the wall, slam on the brakes. It's all about all you can do. So we know now, just ride. Don't go hard. She'll get wrecked. Stay on the inside. Don't go to the high side. And don't put a ton of effort in, or else you're going to end up like those guys. At least don't put a ton of effort in until your tires are warmed up. So, I'll take you guys back when we're 1 to green. Alright, we're going green here. Hopefully they don't spin out in front of us this time. Looks like it's just survive and you win. Everyone is spinning left and right.
Car is off. Time to do your job. Green flag, green flag. The car in P1 just set the fastest lap. 19.30.
Try not to run into the 9, but he's pinching us here.
Go low. Still there. hold
Spinner.
the line. Go high. Outside is clear. The yellow flag
And we're behind the 9.
Jesus.
Line up, single file.
Well,
Road is closed.
we gained 0 spots and lost 0 spots. Gonna do this the whole time, it seems.
All the way to finish that, or we just get lucky?
The last name Bible is crazy. That is sick. The last name Bible. Brian Bible. Well, it looks like we're just gonna have a caution fest, so I don't know if this will be very entertaining until the end. So, back to pause, you guys go. Going back green here. Hopefully we can have a green. I heard someone say that they had caution, and then it went green for a long time. And then they had a caution, and then it went green for a long time. So hopefully that's what happens with us. I think it's just a bunch of wreckers who end up wrecking a lot, and the 9 gets a terrible restart. Oh, 1 is grinding on that second place car. Go on in there, 9. I don't really care. Just race side by side, why not?
Stay low. There's a car on the high side.
Oh,
Stay low. There's a car on the high side. Outside is clear. Car outside, clear high.
barely got him.
New fast flat for you. You're back in 4th position. Car in P1 just set the fastest lap.
So bumpy.
19.207. Car inside.
Oh, I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. No, don't hit me.
The yellow flag
Whew.
is out. Line up, single
That was
file.
close.
Closed. Pit road is closed.
So we're not going to the outside anymore.
Pit road is open.
That is a yikes from me. And that is why I should take my own advice. And, not go hard. Well, I'm probably pitting. We're in the back. Why not? Just take tires. And, I'll take you guys back when it's 1 to go green. Alright, well, now there's really no point to push. There's really no point to push now. So, we'll just ride in the back and, just not wreck. You don't have to go fast or anything. If we want to pick a couple positions off, then we will.
Pace car is off. Green flag, green flag.
I'm not going to the high side. I'm not going to the high side.
Car inside.
Whoa.
Blue car ahead.
Go
Stay
on
high.
ahead,
There's a
man.
car on the low side. Clear inside. The
Look
yellow
at
flag
the-
is out.
really?
Line up, single file.
Why?
Closed.
Just-
Left up 18.
just why?
Car by. That car is a lap down.
What is wrong with that guy?
Pit road is now open.
He is a lap down and racing like he's like trying to win the race. Gosh. Well, he gets to go to the back again. Good job to him. We're going back under pause, I guess. Going green here. I heard more people complain about the 18 while we were under caution. complaining about how he runs up on people and runs into them. So we're on the outside, which is not really what I wanted, but I guess we could just settle on. Yeah, I don't really need to be in the top 10. I just kind of am here.
Still there at bottom. Clear inside.
I guess we're clear. Cool.
Outside. Go low. Clear.
Well, I am all over the place. I do not like this. Oh, no. Oh, now I just got hooked.
Caution, yellow flag.
Well,
Line up, single file. Pit road is closed right now.
that is scary. I don't think we gained one position.
Pit road's open.
Almost wrecked the 14, focusing on something else, so that's not cool. We're up to 7th. We can just ride here. Honestly, I don't even think you have to try hard for a top 10. There is... How many people raced? 18? So, 9th. You have to finish for plus safety rating. And there's 12 people on the lead lap. So, there's your issue.
Car 20. Got the lucky dog. Let them pass on the outside.
Going back green here. Lap 38 out of 75. We are, I think, barely halfway. No, we're not even halfway, I think. I think next lap is halfway. So we got a long way to go. And the 7 is not falling up, but like I said, I guess it doesn't really matter.
Green, green, green.
He really waits till the last second every time to restart.
Outside. Stay low. There's a car on the high side.
Doesn't matter. Don't wheel spin off the corner. Don't spin it. Going into the corner.
Coming up on halfway here. Stay low.
Whoa, 11.
Outside is clear.
Either he really threw it in or we break the time.
Outside clear.
Oh, he's getting loose. I saw him. Levin's looking to make a move on the 14. We're having some not instant caution. Having no instant caution so far. That's not bad.
Car outside.
Oh, well, there it is.
Still there. Slow car ahead.
Woo.
Clear high. Go high. Caution. Yellow flag.
That was-
Line up. Single
that was
file.
close.
Closed.
Too
Pit
close.
road's closed.
Too close. I thought I thought he was gonna... I don't know what I was thinking, I guess. I just was waiting for the wreck. I knew it was coming. I knew there was no way we could stay green for that long. Pit road's open now. We have
Catch up. 14.
10 cars on the lead lap, and we're in 7th. So we're just gonna keep riding here. No one involved in that one except for the guy himself. Wait, what?
Catch up. 8 car.
Yeah, I don't want to pit.
Half up. 6 car.
I guess those guys are pitting, but I didn't really want to.
Car 17. Got the lucky dog. Let them pass on the
My
outside.
tires are still newer.
Letter 17. Carbide. You had to position
Those guys
the
must
yellow
all be in
flag
like a
came
Discord
out.
call or something. Cause I don't really want to pit. All right, I'll take you guys back when we go to 1 to green. Gonna go green here. I don't feel like I should be in 4th place. So we're just gonna ride. And watch as I say that I'll loop it into turn 3.
About to
I
go
already
green.
see it coming.
Stay focused.
I noticed no one really like pulls up here in these restarts.
8 car is off. Be ready. Green flag. Green flag. Get back in 4th position. Car inside. You're now in 3rd.
got third from him. Give it 8 little bump. And there's a caution. Don't really know what happened. I didn't see anything in my mirror. Oh well.
Keep digging.
26 laps to go. Probably it'll be around 20 whenever we go back green. So, see you guys at 1 to go.
One car.
1 to green here. We are behind the one, so we can get a good restart here, I think. He always goes really late. I'll be ready if he goes early, but I'm pretty sure he's going late.
Get ready, going green. The pace car is in. Green, green, green.
Whoa!
The next car's the leader.
I gave him a bump, but it wasn't that hard.
Clear high.
Now 8's chopping us.
Outside.
Jeez.
Still there.
Wasn't that hard of a bump.
Stay low. There is a car on the
I
high.
didn't think at least.
Outside.
Well, we're leading. But I didn't want to win that way or lead that way.
Okay, you are the leader.
Maybe it's just he tried to... Maybe the bump and maybe mad at it.
The yellow
There's
flag is
caution.
out. They want you in single file. Pit road is closed. Catch the pace car.
Well, I'll take you guys back whenever we're want to go. We're gonna go green here. One car is supposed to be outside of us, but I guess he is not. I don't know if he's mad.
You have control. Maintain the pace speed until the restart zone. Then go. Green, green, green.
C1, if you go early on a restart, I'm pretty sure you could pull away like that. Got a little bit over 10 laps to go. That was my fastest lap, and it was only a 19.4. Sweet. So we're not fast. And we're under caution.
Line up, single file.
That's what we want.
Catch the
Tons of cautions. We want a lot. Just drag the laps out, 'cause there's no way we're fast enough to win this off of pure speed. Like, no shot. There's no way.
pit road's open.
Back under pause, you guys go. See you at 1 to green.
To green. You'll be lining up on the inside.
Alright, we are getting ready to go green. So, you could actually see in turn 3 the scoring board. That big yellow board over there in turn 3. It changes to the actual results. I never knew that until I looked at it. I saw a 5 leading, and I was like, hang on. And I checked the rest, and it was actually real.
You have control. Maintain
So,
the pace
here we
speed
go.
until the restart zone. Then go. Green flag, green flag.
Good restart for us. I went a little bit later than last time. The one is faster than us, I think. So, oh wait, it's 5 to go. Or going to 5 to go. Just drive it easy. If we can block the bottom, we can block everything. I feel like, so I don't think he's very fast up top. Or maybe he is and I just don't know.
Keep it up. We're in a great spot.
He's probably going to bump us if he gets to us. So I would too, because I would be mad. on to it. I can tell I'm eating the tires alive. I don't want to give him that inside. He's gonna have a run. No, he's not. 2 to go.
2 more, let's go.
Come on. Oh, it got tight. No caution, please.
Real nice work. This is the white flag lap.
Just don't wreck me one. That's all I beg. That's all I'm asking. Take it nice and slow. Oh, we got a huge run. Nice and easy into the last turn. Oh my gosh, we're gonna win. Heck yeah. Woo! We win. Oh, and they're wrecking behind. Oh, good thanks to the one for racing us clean there. As he gives us loves taps down the back straightaway. Okay. Thanks, one, for racing me clean there. Good on him.
Okay, the race is over. Bring it on in.
That was awesome. Great win for us.
Oh, gosh.
I am so happy that we got that. That was awesome. Wow. Whew. We were definitely not the fastest. There's no way. That was awesome. Gained almost 100 I rating. But we barely gained any safety rating because we had that 9X. Second lowest split. But still, what a race. Good job on the one. That was really fun. I'm happy that he raced me clean like that, so. 91 I rating change. We're up to a 1449. And safety rating, we get a 2+ safety rating. So, up to a 2.59. We were at 2.57. 5 lead changes. We led. How many laps? We led 21 laps. The one actually led the most laps with 27. Fastest lap was a 19.2. Our lap was a 19.4. Average lap time for us was a 32.041. Well, I guess that doesn't matter because that's a lot of cautions. Well, good on the one. That was a fun race. Very fun. I'm happy you raced us like that and raced us clean. So, we win. Finally. It's been a while since I've won, I think. So, we held on to it at the end there. I didn't expect us to. I thought he was going to close. I thought he was going to beat our back bumper, and I thought he would be mad. But, he raced us clean. We bumped him out of the way. We bumped him on that restart, which he went up, hit the guy out on the outside, so I dove down to the bottom. Luckily, I didn't get a black flag. He came back down. I think he just spun the tires. I think the tap didn't help it, but I think he just spun the tires. So, that makes me really happy. We get a win. That's what we needed. Thank you all for watching, and see you guys in the next one.